Now, can you do spot resealing? You know, this got damaged, or you were sanding out some, you know, a big blob of finish got on there, or something bad happened, and you sanded it through and you accidentally got down to bare concrete, and you want to correct that. You prime it and you finish coat it, but you're only doing this area. Right? I'm using this area as an example. You're not doing anything else. There's a pretty good chance you won't see any difference, but I can't guarantee that. It's not like a solvent-based acrylic that melts back into itself. You can't think of, this is very chemically resistant. Once it cures, it's done, it's inert. Nothing's going to make it go back to where it was. So if you apply more finish over this area, the sheen and just applying it in this spot is likely to be slightly different from everywhere else. And your eye's going to pick up on that. Let's say you do sand through this and you want to bring it back to this state where your eye doesn't pick up on anything. It all has the same sheen. First thing you're going to do is do a light scuff sand with 400 grit or 600 grit, but 400 grit's fine, over the entire surface that's in the same plane as this spot. All you're trying to do is scuff it up. You're not removing finish. It's not like it's a 2-hour-long ordeal. It's just a uniform scuff sand that prepares the surface for another finish coat. Obviously clean it. I like to use denatured alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Either one. Wipe it down, get it nice and squeaky clean, let it dry, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes. And then prime that spot. I'll do a double priming. And then when you do your finish coats, you finish coat just this surface. You don't have to do the sink. You don't have to do the edges. You don't have to do anything else. Just everywhere on this piece, there's a new finish coat. And I'd probably do 2 finish coats just to be sure. Now, the sheen is uniform and even. And that's the best way to get the best looking repair if you have to do that. Or to correct an accidental, oops, I sanded through the finish.